All right, folks, what we have here is a 2020 Subaru Forester. What we're going to do here is we're going to reset the oil reminder or the oil light or the oil life light that comes on to remind you to do an oil change. So what we're going to be working with is these buttons right here. Right, it's by the steering wheel. There's a down button. There's an up button. Then there's a set button, which is, I guess, would be the enter button if you're working on the computer. And what we'll be working with is the screen, which is right there to the right. So what you need to do is, without stepping on the brakes, you're going to hit this button twice and get into this mode right here. See the screen right there? It's going to show up there. What we're going to do here is going to hit this information button, and you're going to tap it until you get to this screen here. Let's see here. It says push and hold information button for selection screen. That's what you're going to do. So when I come back here again, you're going to hold this button down, and that screen is going to change right there. All right, and in that screen, you're going to see where it says maintenance. So I'm going to use this down button over here, pull it towards you, and I'm going to put it towards the maintenance button. Once you get there, you're going to hit the set button, which is the one right here in the middle. When you hit set, then it's going to go here. Now, once you're in here, you're going to see where it says oil, engine oil, which is the top one, which I highlighted. The other one is oil filter. The other one is maintenance schedule and tires. See it? Oil filter, tires. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the down button to maintenance schedule. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do the oil, engine oil first. Clear all settings. I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit set. Delete all settings. You're going to say yes. Maintenance all items setting is deleted. So now what we're going to do is going to go back. I'm going to hit down, go back, go into maintenance, which is the set light. Go back into maintenance schedule. And right here, you see how it sets it automatically for 6,000 miles. All right, you can go and set a date if you want for 6 months. Otherwise, you can leave it right there for 6,000 miles, which is what the Subaru recommends. And you leave it right there. All right. That's it. And you're all done. All right. You can just, matter of fact, if you want to put a date, you can hit the bottom button is right there. You can hit it. You can set the month. Okay. And you can hit the date. You can set miles if you want. But it's automatically set to a notification distance remaining 6,000 miles. All right, and that's it. You can hit the down button. You hit set. Setting is complete. And you're good to go. Now I just have to hit it. Just shut it off. And you're done. All right, that's it. It's a little dark in here, but it works out, okay? All right, ciao.